Robotics is an interesting one for that because like there's been a lot of robotics companies that failed
Yeah.
because it's been very difficult to build a robotics company, make money because there's the manufacturing, like the cost of everything. The intelligence of the robot is not sufficient to create a compelling enough product from which to make money. So there's this long line of robotics companies that've tried, they had big dreams and they failed.
Yeah, like Boston Dynamics. I still don't know what they're doing, but they always upload YouTube videos and it's amazing. But I feel like a lot of these companies don't have it's like a solution looking for a problem for now, you know?
Mhm.
Military obviously is useless, but like do I need like a robotic dog now for my house? I don't know. Like it's fun, but it doesn't really solve anything yet. I feel the same kind of with VR. Like it's really cool. Like Apple Vision Pro is very cool. It doesn't really solve something for me yet. And that's kind of the tech looking for a solution, right? But one day will.
When the personal computer, when the Mac came along, there's a big switch that happened. It somehow captivated everybody's imagination. You could like the application, the killer apps became apparent. You can type in a computer.
But did they became apparent like immediately? Back then they also had like this thing where like we don't need these computers. They're like a hype and it also went like in kind of like waves.
Yeah, but the hype is the thing that allowed the thing to proliferate sufficiently to where people's minds would start opening up to it a little bit.
Yeah.
The possibility of it. Right now, for example, with the robotics, there's very few robots in the homes of people.
Exactly, yeah.
The robots that are there are Roombas, so the vacuum cleaners, or they're Amazon Alexa.
Yeah,
type
or
of devices.
dishwasher. I mean, it's essentially a robot.
Yes, but the intelligence is very limited,
Yeah.
I guess is one way we can summarize all of them. Except Alexa, which is pretty intelligent, but is limited with the kind of ways it interacts with you. It's that's just one example.
Yeah.